Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today's product I'll be using is 4 Pines Powerful Multi-Surface Cleaner Real Pine Oil Fresh Pine Scent by Stearns. I found an SDS on this one. It has less than 3% pine oil. And then here's the back. Also a laundry booster, so that's good. And then the ingredients. It's kind of one of those waxy pine odors. Smells pretty good, but kind of has a waxy smell to it. So let's get over to the cloud cam and see what happens over there. Over at the cloud cam now. As usual, my 1/8 cup per gallon, which is plenty for this application. Can be a slight bit more generous. Let's see if we get clouds. I do believe I see some cumulonimbus forming, so that's a good thing. We can just marvel at that for just a little bit. That looks pretty cool. That's wonderful to see that. Well, enough gawking at the cloud cam. Let's get to work. Let's have a look at the bucket before I start. Looking pretty good. A couple of little pieces of debris I missed from the sweeping. I'll get that with the vacuum here in a little bit. As usual, I will go over the floor twice. Here we go. There's one time. And time for round 2. It's smelling great here in the entry hall at this moment. This isn't a super strong pine, but it's adequate. Looks like it has done a fine job cleaning. And that mop is done. We'll tidy up my splash there just a little bit. And we'll have another look at the bucket after cleaning. Notice it's a bit darker, so this did pick up some dirt off the floor. So I'm happy with this one. I would get some more of this. So once again, cleaning the floor with 4 Pines Powerful Multi-Surface Cleaner Real Pine Oil Fresh Pine Scent. Thank you for watching.